Hi, I am M. Jagadish, Associate Professor in CSC Department. Please watch my videos, like and share my videos, and subscribe my channel. Now look at the next one. It's input small, that is abstraction. Now, up to yet we know that abstraction is nothing but one of the most essential and important feature of object-oriented programming in C++. We have a different object-oriented programming concepts like class, objects, like abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, all those things. So likewise, this abstraction is also one of the essential one. Now, what is mean by the abstraction means? Abstraction is going to display only essential information and it is going to hide the details. That indicates whatever requires, which information is required, which information is important, that information is only going to display. It is not going to display the entire information or entire things. Which one is important, that only will be displayed, and which is not important, that not important information will be hidden. That is nothing but abstraction. See, data abstraction refers to providing only essential information what I specified about the data to the outside world and hiding the background details of implementation. So whatever the details that are done by means in order to generate the output, those information will be hidden. Now we'll discuss about this with a real world example. See, whenever the man is going to drive a car, the man only knows what actually accelerator will do, what actually the brakes will do. He knows that whenever I am pressing the accelerator, it will increase the speed, and whenever I just go to apply the brake, it will stop the car. He knows only that one. It will increase the speed and stop the car. But you don't know how the accelerator will be increased its speed and how the brake is going to stop the car. You don't know all these things. You don't know the inner side mechanism, how the inner side mechanism will works, how the accelerator is practically working, how the brake is working, how whenever I increase or press the accelerator, it increases the speed. Whenever I apply the brake, how the car is stopping, you don't know the inner mechanism. You know, it's only one thing. When I am increasing, whenever I just go to press the accelerator, it increases the speed. Whenever I am pressing or applying the brake, it stops. You know, it's only that one. It doesn't know about the implementation of inner details. That actually abstraction means. That actually abstraction means. You can use the abstractions for the classes also. You can implement the abstraction in C++ by means of classes, where in this it is going to group the data members and data functions. Data members and data functions. So based on the application, only some data members will be visible to the outside world and some are not visible. Some we cannot access. That indicates it is hiding the details, it is hiding the assay. That is nothing but abstraction. So this is nothing but the abstraction, which is the object oriented concept, object oriented feature.